Welcome back. Today on Real Reviews, we are here with the Great Northern. This is an 8-ounce classic style popcorn machine with cart. It's model number GNP-800. And just a little bit of information from Amazon here. This is a theater style popcorn maker. It includes an 8-ounce stainless steel kettle, makes roughly about 3 gallons of popcorn. It has a heated deck. It also has a heat lamp over here in the back. And it has an old maid's drawer right here that actually allows you to collect the kernels that fall through that you're not actually popping. It makes it easy to be able to clean those up. Now this also comes with a mobile cart. This is the cart piece right here. And this is a tabletop unit, and it actually connects to this cart with some spring-loaded clamps inside right here. Underneath, you can go ahead and take a quick look. So these spring-loaded clamps are really easy to just take them off, just open them up, and you can actually take this top piece off and put it on the counter if you wanted to. However, this is designed as a cart-style popcorn maker. It has the 16-inch bicycle-style wheels on it, which makes it easy to just pick it up. You can move it around to wherever you might want to have it inside of your house, wherever you're planning on making your popcorn. Now, as you saw, it also has a storage cabinet to keep your supplies, and it also has adjustable feet down here. You can kind of turn these for added stability, kind of like on the bottom of a washing machine or a stove or something like that. It also has this 3-switch design, so it allows you to independently control the pot heater, the stirrer, and also the warming deck and light. So this is warming deck and light, stirrer, and the pot heater right here. So independently control of that, it allows you to easily be able to make the popcorn, because like when I'm making popcorn in here, what I like to do is I like to turn off the pot heater once the popping has slowed down to a certain pace. I leave the stirrer on for another couple of minutes, and then I actually turn the stirrer off before I tip it over and get the popcorn out. Now, this actual tabletop machine is 49 pounds. The cart is 36 pounds. It's a total weight of 85 pounds. And let me just go ahead and show you everything that it comes with here. So it actually comes with this scooper right here. It comes with these scoops right here. So you have different scoops for your oil, for your Flavacol flavoring, and also for your popcorn. It comes with the manual, the instruction manual. We're going to kind of talk about this in just a moment. And then you have 3 plastic cups. Actually, there's only 2 here because I have the other one with popcorn in it. So you have 3 total plastic cups that say Great Northern Popcorn Company on them. These are pretty cool. Look inside of those. Pretty thick. They seem pretty fairly sturdy. Those up here as well. And then it comes with 25 popcorn bags with this dude eating popcorn on it. It says awesome. So there you go. That's everything that it has inside of here. Go ahead and just put everything up here on the top. Now, last but not least, let's just go ahead and measure this. Let's measure it. Let's see what type of dimensions we have here. So if you're talking about just the tabletop maker, it's 14¼ inches by, 17¼ inches. And height-wise, it's roughly 23¼ inches. The actual cart, you measure from handle to handle, is going to be roughly about 25¼ by, let's see what we got here. Let's see, 12¼ And then if we're talking about height-wise of the cart itself, we have 36 3/8 inches. And height-wise of the entire unit is, I believe, 5 feet. Roughly a little bit under 5 feet tall, total height of the entire unit. So there you have it, guys. Now it is a 3-prong plug, and I will just kind of show you when you turn this on. Let's just open this up real quick so I can show you. So this is the warming light. You have the warming light, the warming deck. This is the stirrer. So when you turn the stirrer on, see the stirrer starts going around, and this is the pot heater. So all these are independent. Turn off the stirrer, turn off the warming deck and the warming light. Now this warming deck and warming light really does keep your popcorn warm, as long as you need it in there. So that's really nice. This old maid's drawer is also really nice. So when you get kernels that fall through, you can just grab this and just dump them out. One thing you do want to be mindful of is this is all very, very sharp aluminum. So don't try to just run your finger across it, because you're definitely going to get cut. So there you have it. And now it does have a stainless steel and tempered glass on all of the food area. So anywhere where food is touching, this is all tempered glass and this is all stainless steel, which is really nice. This door right here is a little bit flimsy, and this is one of the problems I had when I originally got it. It's kind of like, it kind of didn't come perfectly straight. So you can see it kind of like bends. It doesn't stay up. So that's one of the things that I didn't like about it. One other problem that I did have with this unit, well, not really a problem, but this door is sat kind of low. So I put a little, what is this over here, like a nut inside of here. And I just kind of just raise it up just a little bit in order to be able, so the popcorn is not just flying out of the top when it pops. Yours might be different. I'm not really sure if they're all manufactured to the same specifications or not. But overall, I really like the popcorn machine. The build was kind of a pain. You do have to build the cart. So you're going to build this box separately from this bottom portion right here. And then these two will connect. And then this top piece, just basically you're just putting the door on it. You're putting in your 8-ounce kettle, and then you're just putting it on top, and it just clamps in with the spring-loaded clamps. As far as popping popcorn, I'm not actually going to pop any popcorn in this video, but I do have another video. I will put a link in the description where I explain how to make theater-style popcorn, exactly what you need, how to do it, how long it takes, and you guys are going to see, you know, exactly how that works if you're interested. Plus, I will put a link in the description to this popcorn maker if you wanted to purchase it off of Amazon. It is cheaper now than it was when I originally bought it, and I think I had this for over a year now. So this popcorn maker has been going strong for quite some time. We really enjoy it. It really makes good popcorn. It works great. It's not too hard to clean. The only thing that you want to really be careful with when you're cleaning it is you want to make sure that you clean especially the top portion here, because it is some type of, I don't know, aluminum probably, and it can get rusted, and it will get rusted if you don't get the salt off of that when you're making popcorn. So you want to kind of clean that off. You can use alcohol to clean that off after you get the basics of it clean. And another thing I'll usually do sometimes is I'll take my vacuum and I'll vacuum around the edges here for any popcorn that kind of gets trapped. But besides that, this is a really good popcorn maker. I highly recommend it, and I'm sure if you guys purchase this, you will definitely get a lot of enjoyment out of it, and the family will surely enjoy some nice, hot, theater-style popcorn while you're watching movies on movie night. So hopefully this video helped you decide on a popcorn maker for yourself, and I really hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell button so you never miss another video on Real Reviews. See you guys next time.